Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send a voice message on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to send voice message on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iMessage application and then select the iMessage user. There should say the voice record icon. Then go ahead, press and hold the record button. So you can now go ahead and record your message. Once you're done recording your message, let it go. Now go ahead, press and hold it and then release it. Now go ahead and record your message, and once you're done recording your voice message, stop it. Click on this button to send it. Click on the message button to play it. Then click on this delete button to delete the voice message. Now go ahead and click on send to send the voice message. Also, you can click on the plus button, locate and click on audio. Then go ahead and start recording your audio message, and once you're done recording the audio message or voice message, click on stop, click on send, listen to the audio message or delete it, and then you're good. So that is basically how to send voice message on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.